Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to get a limited item for free. So let's get started. First of all, click on the search bar and search Swap Rider Speed Simulator. Then click on the first game that you see and join it. When you are in the game, click on this button to see the task that you have to do to get the item. In order to get the item, you have to drive 20 minutes every day for 7 days. And the worst part is that you can't be AFK. You just have to drive around and collect the flames. The flames increases your speed. And when you have completed this task, the item should be in your inventory. That's all for this video. I hope this video helps. Good luck to all of you. Make sure to like and subscribe for more video like this. Bye.